Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I will be installing my first wig. As you can see, here it is, and I'll be talking a little bit more about it in this video. So let's just get started. So this wig is a glueless headband wig. It comes with two different headband colors and it's about 26 inches. And I'm opening this up for the first time. Here are the headbands. We have one in cheetah print that's a little smaller, and we have this one which is flowers and leaves, which is a little bit bigger. So let's try this on, guys. I'm kind of excited because I've never worn a wig before. Let's see how this thing looks. Here's how it looks. It actually still has the tag on it. The color is 1B, and I think this is how it looks. You can always add heat to it to add more curls, but I think I'm just gonna wear it like this for now. And it does come with a wig cap, so I'm glad it comes with it because, you know, some don't come with that. And let's just open this up. Okay, there we go. And right now I have my hair in these loose twists. I just took out my locks, so I'm just gonna tie this back and tuck in all of my hair to the best I can. And let's put on this cap. I'm trying to see if I'm doing this right. There we go. Just like that, I think. Not sure what this top part is for, but we're just gonna tuck it in with my hair. And now let's try to actually put the wig on. Okay, here we go. You guys can see it has a latch right here, and it has the tag that says the hair color. And just gonna take that off. And it has Velcro, and I'm just gonna throw it back and wear it like a cap. Okay, just like that. Ooh, this is, I think this is how I put it on. Let me see the way this is supposed to be worn. Yep, just like this. And it has a little headband at the back so you can slide it on. And I'm just gonna pull this up front. And let's put on the headband. We're gonna try the leopard print because I really like that one more. Okay, and let's slide it on. And this is how it looks, guys. It looks really good on me, not gonna lie. Just like that. I'm gonna take off my glasses. And this is how it looks. I really like this, actually. So I'm gonna try on the other headband with it. And this hair is synthetic. I'm gonna try on this other headband. Ooh. Okay, and just slide it up. Just like that. So yeah, that's how it looks. I even put my hair in a little puff and it still isn't like noticeable or anything. But yeah, this is how the hair looks. I'm gonna show you guys from up here how long it is. Like I said, it is 26 inch. And that is how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can actually style it in different ways as well. So if I can find my hair tie, where's my hair tie? Oh, here it is. I can style it like in a high puff or a high ponytail, just like that. And you could just put in a ponytail like that, or you can try different headbands in different styles with it. I think I'm gonna need to slide this up a little bit more. But yeah, I think it looks good on me. What do you guys think? I don't know, this looks really nice. But I do have a surprise. If you guys have been watching, I do have a surprise. I am going to do my first giveaway. That's right. I have another one just for you guys, because I really like this wig, but I have another one just for you guys. This is the same one that I got off of Amazon, and you guys can definitely check it out. I'll have everything about the giveaway in the description, and yeah, it's pretty easy. What do you guys think about this wig though? It's like, I don't know, I feel really confident in it. But I think I applied it right because there's a little latch at the back. I think that's just supposed to like support it a little bit, but other than that, it looks really, really nice and all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it to the world. Love you guys, and have an amazing day.